So one more new topic, that is sign convention. This is very important to solve the problems related to a concave or a convex mirror. So next topic is, it may be a concave or it may be a convex mirror, you can consider. So this is also called as a new Cartesian sign convention also, you can say. So I will consider a concave mirror as an example. This is P, this is F, this is C. Okay. If the distance in the left hand side, you should take it as a negative. Distance in a right hand side, it should be a positive. So you can take x dash like this. So this side it is negative, this side it is positive, and the height above it is taken as a positive, height down it is taken as a negative height. Okay. So to do these things, first you should learn about what do you mean by object distance. Object distance is nothing but it's a distance between pole to an object, that is considered as an object distance, and we will denote this object distance as an u. Okay, for example, this is a concave mirror. The object is placed here. In the exam they will give an object is placed 15 cm from the mirror. So you have to consider the object distance as a negative. Okay, why? Because the object will be placed in a left hand side. Left hand side means you have to take it as a negative. Object distance u. Then second, image distance. Image distance is, we can consider as an p. It is the distance between pole to an image. Distance between pole to an image, we can consider it as an v, and it may be a positive or it may be a negative according to your sign convention. Okay, where exactly your image is formed in the right hand side, it should be taken as a positive. It is in the left hand side means it should be a negative. You have to take. Next, third one, a magnification. This is very important. Magnification is nothing but it's a ratio of image distance to the, it is a ratio of a height of an image to an height of an object. So h dash I will give a height of an image, and h is nothing but an height of an object, or you can relate like this also, minus v divided by u, that is the object image distance to an object distance with a negative sign you have to consider. That is considered as a magnification. Okay, or you can relate like this. This is the relation you have to consider for finding the magnification. So that negative sign in the magnification indicates, so m is equal to negative is there. Negative sign in the magnification indicates that the image is a real image. Positive sign indicates that the image is virtual. Real and inverted you can consider. This is virtual and erect image. Magnification negative, real image positive, it is virtual and erect image. Okay. So with this information we can solve the problems. So before solving the problems, I will give the what is the formula for finding mirror formula. We can say mirror formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. This is the formula of a mirror. Okay, this is considered as a mirror formula. 1 by f. F indicates, f is nothing but a focal length, and u is nothing but a object distance, and v is nothing but an image distance. Okay, object distance, image distance, and f is nothing but an focal length. With this formula we can find the where exactly image is formed, or image they have given means where exactly object should be placed, and how much the height of an object or height of an image, everything we can check with this formula and this magnification formula. Okay, this sign convention very important. So once you look into this sign convention.